16 is module battery wiring and installation. B. Connect to the total negative. B1 plus connect the positive. Terminal of battery 1. Connect the RT1 temperature cable to the negative terminal of battery 2. Use power cables in series. Battery modules. B16 plus cable connects to the total positive. Battery 1 voltage test. BMU interface demonstration. Interface for voltage and temperature collection cable. Communication display light. Communication cable interface. Fan cable connector. Fan cable. Fan power supply cable. Connecting fan cables. The B of the fan wire is connected to the B1 of the voltage acquisition wire. Connect the B plus of the fan cable to the B16 plus of the voltage collection cable. The cable ends are connected to the BMU. First unplug the 18 pin and then the 20 pin.